Hello from the other side, CJ here, and Wanbo is back with a new smart projector called the Vali 1 Pro. It's an update to the OG Vali 1 that we reviewed last year, and as it stands, the price remains about the same as before. So, what's new about this Pro version? We're about to find out. Roll that intro. Starting with design, the Vali 1 Pro practically looks the same as its standard version. Our unit comes in a warm white colorway, which has a more refined look in my opinion. They removed the black borders and raised the front interface instead, flashed with the gray color accent. It comes with a built-in stand and supports 200-degree tilt, so it's possible to project the screen to the ceiling. Sure, this projector is portable, but it has a bit of heft, weighing at around 2.8 kilograms. If the intro wasn't obvious. That said, it's not gonna be as compact as with other Wanbo projectors, measuring about 10 inches wide. There's the included remote in the box, nothing fancy here, but it does pair with the projector quickly. Setting it up is pretty fast and easy too. You just turn it on, project it to a wall, and it will automatically adjust to the keystone, focus, and screen alignment. The option for obstacle avoidance is enabled by default, so it will try to find the perfect spot for you. But if you're old school, then you can manually adjust all the settings and whatnot. Software-wise, the Vali 1 Pro ships with the newer Android TV 14 and has that familiar Google TV OS experience. It comes with pre-installed apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Disney Plus, among others. The TV comes with a quad-core A55 chip, and navigating around is decently fast. The same goes for connecting the projector to Wi-Fi internet. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5. The remote it came with also supports Google Assistant, which is useful, rather than typing on the virtual keyboard manually. For inputs and outputs, there's the power button, a 3.5mm audio jack, HDMI, a sound outlet, and one USB-A port on the rear. There's the power socket on the stand itself over here to the left, and above it you'll find another sound outlet and an air inlet. On the right, there's just the air outlet. Meanwhile, on the front, there's the projector lens itself and a camera for that sweet automatic projector setup. Notably, there's now a single 12-watt speaker instead of the dual 6-watt setup from the Vali 1. We'll talk about the sound quality in a bit. Of course, there's Google Cast support here for easy screen mirroring from your Android phone. However, there's still no AirPlay support for Apple devices, as you would expect with an Android-powered device. Now, let's finally talk about the most crucial part. Display. The projector has a recommended 130-inch display size, but it can technically go up to as large as 260 inches. It features full HD resolution up to 650 ISO lumens and supports HDR10 and MEMC. With that, the colors are decently good and the brightness is respectable. I'd suggest using the projector in a pitch black room to get the best viewing experience. It has widevine L1 support as well, so I'm pretty sure that Netflix playback is always in HD. Plus, with the 200-degree adjustable angle, we can even watch on the ceiling while laying on the bed. Talking about the audio quality, it sounds surprisingly nice. The 12 watts full-range speaker can easily fill a room with loud and clear audio. There's a good amount of bass and it doesn't sound as thin as I expected to be, probably thanks to Dolby Audio support. In other words, dialogues in movies are clear and have a distinct separation from the background music, sound effects, and the like. However, with it just being a single speaker, it won't sound as immersive, but the loud sound does make up for it. Despite the fact, I'm glad to report that fan noise is minimal in our experience, so there's that. All things considered, the new Wanbo Vali 1 Pro has been really good at doing its job. You're getting a native Full HD clarity, surprisingly good audio, a user-friendly Google TV OS, and a practically well-built, well-designed smart projector. It's not perfect, that's a given, but it's a pretty solid option for setting up a mini home theater. Just pair it with a surround sound and you're good to go. And before we wrap up, let's talk about the price. The Wanbo Vali 1 Pro retails around 16,000 pesos in the Philippines. Checking out Wanbo's official store via Shopee, it's currently discounted for 14,799 pesos through various vouchers. So what do you think about the new Wanbo Vali 1 Pro? Are you getting this anytime soon? Let us know in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful or informative, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to hit that bell icon to most any of our future uploads. See us on the socials, that's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, and see YouGetTech.com for latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! See you later!